I have been 6 years of experience. I have been working for multiple of the companies. In the starting, I was working one of the digital marketing agency named as E Global Soft Solution. So there, my role was to manage all the SEO based projects, and as some of I was also managing related to the social media paid campaign for the Facebook and the Instagram. So there, I learned a lot of skills related to the on page, off page, and all meta ad strategies for the Instagram as well. Along with after this, I have been working with other companies in B2C, B2B. There was a company name as Hello Soft Solution, sorry, Hello Squares. So Hello Squares company basically was in B2C directly for the healthcare solution. They were providing the online courses for some of the persons suffering from diabetes or some other related diseases, thyroid and other. So here are the things which I have been learning. It was more like arranging the webinar for them like through the Facebook and Meta ads. Sometimes we were running the Google ads. So the process was to collect the lead in the WhatsApp group and then invite them for the webinar. So I was involved in each and every funnel to move them to the webinar. And yeah, the webinar was going quite good. I learned a lot of things. Approx 40% was the attendees in the webinar, 10 to 15% was the closing rate. So it was a good experience and lot of learning from there because I was involved in the building the landing pages, effective landing pages for the ads. And after this, there was another company that was completely based in California, and that was B2B, and they were providing the EHR software for the doctors. It was basically for the ophthalmologists, eye doctors who used to manage their day-to-day clinical activities over that software. So I was targeting complete United States for that project. It was also quite good learning because B2B has a totally different strategies where we need to plan for the LinkedIn, also for the Google search ad. So I have been learning in the this time period till now. Like I've been working in the current company, the dynamic technologies. They were dealing both in B2C and B2B. In B2C, they was managing their trading related like courses, and they are in a trading technology firm. So for the trading technology firm, I've been managing all the B2B projects like B2B lead generation over the Instagram, over the Meta ads, over the LinkedIn, and the Google ads. So overall, in my 6 years of journey, now I am well versed with all the paid campaign. That is one of my core skills. Where and secondly, understanding the user persona to whom we can target, what kind of audience we need to target, where we can target, what are the resources, what are the like resources we need, especially in the landing pages, how to optimize. So there are multiple of the things which I have been doing in the 6 years, integrating the WhatsApp, integrating the chatbot, using the some of the tools named as Hotjar, SmartLow to understand the heat map of the website, to understand the user persona. And I have been working for some of the e-commerce project. So in the e-commerce project, there's also a lot of learning where I was using the Google Merchant Center. Other than the Google Merchant Center for Google Search Console, I have a good experience, Google Analytics. So there are multiple tools which I have been using in the last 6 years. And yeah, I have experience which I am carrying forward with me that can be useful for the next company which I'm going to join. The role of AI tools, I think it is going to be very effective in the term of in the positive effect we are going to see. Because what the AI is going to do, AI is going to do make a good analysis about the digital marketing is completely based on the analytics. As per my experience, I think AI is going to give a lot of analytical data as well as lot of A by B testing things. Initially, when the fresher used to join the industry, they were having a lot of struggles in understanding the things. With the help of AI, at least it gives them the clear picture. They are not going to struggle anymore. As per my understanding, when I was a fresher, I have to search a lot of things on the Google or sometime on the YouTube, and even I don't get I was not even to find out the effective solution for it. But with the help of AI, I'm very sure the things are going to change very fast. The things are going to work very rapid. We have lot of data. We can have more proper analytical thinking over those data, as well as apart from the analytical thinking, we have A/B testing, as I told you. So yes, I think AI is going to make a lot of good changes in the term of creative, in term of content, in term of thinking about. It makes a broad thinking of the person. So it is going to be a very very useful tool if everyone is. If not using, then the same process will be there. Like I will compare with the old and the new. In the old, we think. Yeah, I think I also believe humans should do by themselves. That is different thing. But if we have some add-on tool that can give us a proper, clear analytical thing, then that is a big advantage for that. And that also gives our brain and new ideas. So with the help of AI, we are going to boost the campaign. We are going to boost the SEO, everything. Even email marketing, you have multiple of the emails you can write, multiple of the WhatsApp messages you can send to the clients. You can do a lot of experiment. It saves the time. So AI is going to very effective for freshers. For the paid marketing, I have been using multiple of the tools. As I told, like I have been using the heat map. That is a very effective tool. SEMrush I have been using. Heat map like Hotjar I was using for the proper behavior analytics of the client of the users. SEMrush for very broad research about the keywords and the competitors' landing pages. Some other tools like spy tool to just find out the competitors for the social media, especially and multiple of the tools that we are giving from the Google as well, like Meta Ads Library, Google Search Console, Google Transparency Center, Google Analytics. So these are the quite effective tool which I have been using on some of the like always in the weekly day-to-day basis. Some of the tools I am using. Other than this tool, I did some experiment with the tool where I was using the AI-based tool, which was to track the campaign performance. That was another tool which I've been using. And these analytical tools gives very clear understanding about the organization, how the campaigns are going, how the things are working. So I will give an example like for the Google Analytics. It gives a very clear understanding about the user behavior, about the understanding the analytics things about the pages. What is the page speed? No, sorry, not the page speed. Or what is the page experience going on? What is the page session time? So yes, I think the GA4 is a very effective tool. Other than this, the tool name as I told like heat map like Microsoft Clarity. It is very good and effective tool. It gives a very clear understanding what is the flow of the audience, how the audience are interacting with us on the day-to-day basis. So it is one of the best tool I can say, which is very very important for the paid campaign. Google Tag Manager, it's very effective tool to track and each and every events of the uh, website, where we can give a proper understanding about the website, where we can track each and every data and make a better optimization about the campaign. No one can replace the human with AI. We can always take an advantage of AI, and we can make our things boosted. We can make our content and or the SEO of the off page on page strategy. We can boost it, we can clean it, we can make it more advanced and more analytical. So AI is going to make it more advanced, more analytical, more in the best format. It's not going to affect in the negative format. If we have a proper understanding about the things, how we can use the AI. So AI can give you some data. AI can give you some better output in sense, but you have to at least execute it. AI gives. There is an automation, but for the automation also there should be a person who can understand the thing, who can make the changes. AI will just do the experiment with the machine learning, but at last there should be a person who can understand the things, who can make the changes, and then there will be a very very good positive effect. So I believe AI is not going to affect any of the career. It is really going to be helpful for every one of us. Thank you. Best domain would be nowadays it would be paid marketing and analytics, because this career is going to be evolved more, because lot as SEO is also, but yeah, if I have to choose one, I would choose paid marketing analytics, and second social media marketing. Why both? The paid marketing, first of all, it is a very quick and effective game. And today, in today's world, whether you do SEO, whether you do social media marketing, whether you do anything, analytics is one of the best thing, or is one of the very very important role in the digital marketing. Without analytics, we cannot proceed further in any of the domain. So, and the paid, why paid? Because it is one of the very easy and effective way to reach very broad audience and a very segmented audience. In case I want to reach the 12th pass out students only, I have an option. But in other option, I have to choose. There are multiple things where I cannot find these options. Multiple domains. So yeah, nowadays, as per seeing the trend of today's, paid analytics is one of the best. Second would be social media marketing, and the social media marketing, I would say, bringing the organic reach is one of the second most important thing, which is going to be important in digital marketing. Why so? So see, for the paid marketing, we are totally depend on the paid campaign. If the paid campaigns are running, business is running. But for the social media, if the social media has a good organic reach over the Instagram or over the YouTube, the business is already set. So social media marketing, but with the organic flow, it is the best career anyone can proceed. But it takes time, so that's the reason I have chosen the paid analytics. So if it is about the career view, it's very quick and easy. Then person need to learn a lot of analytical things. If it is very good, well versed with the analytical things, and definitely paid marketing is going to be the best career for him.